यस, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। देखिए, हम बात कर रहे थे एसएचएम में। एसएचएम में हमने कल सब चीजें देख ली थी कि हमारे पास डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स किस प्रकार से पूछी जाती है, या हमारे पास ये कह सकते हैं कि एसएचएम के अंदर अलग अलग टाइप के एग्जांपल्स, द ऑसिलेशन ऑफ एनी ब्लॉक इन द यू कैन से इन द अर्थ, दैट इज अ oscillation of any liquid filled in the column tube and all such things we have observed it. Now you can see the second thing, that is a write down the problem related to it. जैसे yes, write down the first problem related to the compound pendulum. A 1 meter long stick suspended at a mark of 75 centimeter. If mass of the stick is 3 kg, then calculate time period of small oscillations of stick. मतलब वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट टाइम पीरियड ऑफ स्मॉल ऑसिलेशंस ऑफ द स्टिक हियर। देखो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली इसने दिया क्या हुआ है, हमारे पास एक 1 मीटर लॉन्ग स्टिक है, which is hinged at a point 75 centimeter, right? And if it is hinged at this point and we can displace it by some angle theta, if it is displaced by some angle theta, then you can easily observe this is theta, its length is 1 meter, this is L, this is 75 centimeter, and the center of mass is at the point which is 1/2, means this distance is 25 centimeter. If mg is acting downward, then mg sin theta is acting there. So what is torque? Minus mg sin theta into this 25 centimeter. What is this 25 centimeter? Let's suppose it is L/4. So what is this torque? That is minus mg into L/4 into theta, and it is equal to I alpha. Moment of inertia about it. Now the moment of inertia about it is ml square by 12, and it is L/4. This is ml square by 12 plus L by 4 ml square by 16. So what is alpha? This m and m will cancel out. This L and L will cancel out. And if you will take LCM, this will become how much? This is, if you will take LCM, this will become 12 and 16 is there. If you will, 1 by 4 is common, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, that is 12. You can say ki there it is 4 plus 3, 7 into 1 by 4. So alpha is what? You can say the quantity remain is minus g by 4 into theta. It is equal to 7L by 48 into alpha. This is 12. So what is alpha? Minus 12 by 7 G by L. Into theta. You can call it as omega square. If omega square is this, so what is omega? Omega square is 12 by 7 into G by L. Omega is under root of 12 by 7 into G by L. So what is time period? Time period is 2 pi by omega. 7 by 12 into L by G. This is time period. Is it right? So that is the time period of this meter stick. Is it clear? So this is a question of compound pendulum, and in such a way you can calculate the time period of the meter stick, right? Yes, next. A semicircular plate of mass m and radius r is hinged along its base axis. As shown. Full stop. Calculate time period of small oscillations of plate. So basically this is the problem. It is a disc. It is having mass m, radius r. If it is rotating like this, so you know it is acting as compound pendulum. Time period of compound pendulum is 2 pi under root of I by mg into d. Distance between center of mass and the hinged point, the suspension point. This is suspension point. This is center of mass of it. Center of mass is how much distance below from there? It is 4r by 3 pi. You know. This distance. 4r by 3 pi. Now, you can calculate easily कि if we rotate it similarly, तो here it can oscillate about it. So what is the time period? I. What is the I about it? देखो हमारे पास कोई एक डिस्क का मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इसके अबाउट कितना होगा? जैसे हमारे पास अगर एक कंप्लीट डिस्क है, तब तो हमें पता है कि इस एक्सिस के अबाउट कितना होता है? mr स्क्वायर बाई 2. इसके अबाउट mr स्क्वायर बाई 2 4. अगर हम इस डिस्क को रिमूव कर देते हैं, it is removed. If this disk is removed, then it means about it remains mr square by 2. About it is mr square by 4. But similarly, about it also remain mr square by 4. So here I is mr square by 4. And what is d? It is 4r by 3 pi. So what is time period? Two pi under root of I. I is mr square by 4 by mgd. D is what? 4r by 3 pi. This m and m will cancel out. This r and r will cancel out. So you can say it is 2 pi under root of 3 pi r upon 16g. 3 pi r upon 16g. That is the value of the time period of the oscillation of it. ये ऐसे rotate करेगी एक्सिस के बहुत इस तरीके से. Are you getting it? That is the point. Next. Next, two particles are executing SHMs as x1 is equal to 4 sine omega t and x2 is equal to 3 sine omega t plus pi by 6. Calculate equation of resulting SHM. As you can see, here A1 is 3, A1 is 4, A2 is 3, phase difference between them 5, it is pi by 6. So you can say what is A net? Under root of A1 square 16 plus A2 square 9 plus 2 A1 A2 12 cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel out. So it is 25 plus 12 root 3. This is amplitude. Root 3 is 1.73. This will become 12 plus 25 into 1.7. 12 into 1.7. Four 20.4 मतलब nearly 20 root 45. And you can also calculate the angle tan alpha. B sin theta or A plus B cos theta. B is what? This 3 sin pi by 6 1 by 2 A plus B. From there you can calculate the value of alpha. If alpha you have calculated, so what is y net? Yeah, x net. X net is A net into sine omega t plus alpha. So this is the x net, that is A net into sine omega t plus alpha. Are you getting it? Yes, this is the point. Next. Now the next is, yes, so it is about the SHM that we have discussed till now. तो SHM में हमने कई प्रकार की चीजें देखी कि SHM बोलते किसको है, इक्वेशंस ऑफ द SHM. वी हैव आल्सो सीन कि the problems related to SHM, different examples related to SHM, like the motion of the ball suspended in the tunnel in the earth, simple pendulum, spring mass system, compound pendulum, torsional pendulum, या फिर the oscillation of the liquid filled in any tube. All these things we have seen. So you can say here that we have discussed a different type of periodic or oscillatory motion, which is the SHM.